Why a CMMS? So normally if you don't have a software that helps you to manage this in a digital way, this task and maintenance task execution, you can have a situation where the tasks are executed by your operator on the shop floor using spreadsheet or at least papers. In that case, you have difficulty to have a real-time data acquisition. You don't have transparency. You waste your time if fitting all this data inside the system like an SAP, because there is no synchronization. We have to do later on just collecting all this information by paper or by Excel file, for example, and you don't have a real control on your cost and your budget in terms of maintenance cost and spare part cost. Having the Hauni CMMS, you can have this benefit coming both sides from the experience from Hauni in terms of cars, job cars, information to the technician, all the details about extraction, the concept of packaging and sub-entities that we described before, and also the integration with My Portal, Hauni My Portal, and this will give the benefit to manage not only the maintenance activities, but also the entire cycle of your spare parts, and that's what we can see later on in the demo.